Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Bitcoin on PayPal. First, open your PayPal app or log into your account online. Look for the crypto section, usually found on your main dashboard. You'll need to confirm your identity by providing some personal details, which is a standard security measure. This ensures your account is secure and compliant with financial regulations, making your crypto journey safe and straightforward. Once your account is verified, you can proceed to buy Bitcoin. In the crypto section, select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Decide how much you want to invest. You can start with a small amount like $25. Always review the transaction details, including any fees, before confirming your purchase. This step is crucial to ensure you are comfortable with the terms. After purchasing, you can easily manage your Bitcoin within PayPal. Your crypto dashboard will display your current Bitcoin balance and a detailed transaction history. If you decide to sell, you can convert your Bitcoin back into US dollars directly through the platform. You also have the option to send Bitcoin to other PayPal users, offering a convenient way to share crypto. It's important to be aware of a few key points. PayPal charges fees for buying and selling cryptocurrency, so always check these before making a transaction. Remember that cryptocurrency values can be volatile, meaning prices can change rapidly. Always consider your financial situation before investing. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, please see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.